Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to test calcium in your body. We'll start by exploring why maintaining proper calcium levels is so important for your overall well-being. Then, we'll dive into the various methods healthcare professionals use to measure calcium, including blood tests. You'll also learn about the two main types of calcium measurements, total calcium and ionized calcium, and what each one tells you about your health. The most common way to test calcium is through a blood test. Your doctor will typically order a total serum calcium test, which measures all the calcium in your blood, both bound and unbound. For a more precise look at active calcium, an ionized calcium test might be performed. This test specifically measures the unbound calcium that your body can readily use. Knowing these values helps assess bone health and kidney function. While blood tests are primary, other methods offer additional insights into your body's calcium status. A 24-hour urine calcium test can reveal how much calcium your kidneys are excreting, which is vital for kidney stone prevention. Bone density scans, often called DEXA scans, measure the mineral content in your bones, indicating bone strength. Additionally, checking parathyroid hormone levels helps understand how your body regulates calcium. Once you have your calcium test results, it's crucial to discuss them thoroughly with your healthcare provider. They can interpret what the numbers mean for your specific health situation and recommend any necessary follow-up. Whether your levels are too high or too low, further investigation might be needed to identify underlying causes. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Maintaining balanced calcium is key for long-term health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.